So I went to Coba in Cancun, Mexico, and I almost killed myself going up there, up the ruins, but it was worth it. Take a peek of our adventure there, traveling through the ruins and just taking in the culture in Mexico.
Doing Showtime travel.
Hello, this is Belvin, your luxury all-inclusive guide, and we are in Coba. We're going to see some of the, what they call the temples in, where are we, in Riviera Maya. So we're going up there to see Coba. Stay tuned.
Señores, this is even hard to imagine. All this open back then, open. Only the temples. 55,000 people here. Where they live? At the top, inside, over there, no man. The casas were los, huh? They were palapas. They live in palapas. According to archaeology, between 5,500 palapas inside the wall. So this was all open, and this is all restoration. This is even hard to imagine, huh? A building like that, 1,200 years ago, not like that. Stucco, smooth, color, and only few, very few people allowed to climb. Like the king, maybe some of his family, and the priest, and no más, no more. You know the rules, huh? You go up.
All-inclusive guy here. We're gonna take the challenge of going up the Coba steps. We're at the Coba ruins. It's 120 steps. Check us out. Heading up the steps. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. So we're halfway up. Still more to go. So we're close, as you can tell. We can do it.
I am. I was resting.
Woo! Almost. Stay on the left. Almost there. Almost there. She made it. Oh my God. So we made it on top of Coba.
Yeah, absolutely. It's in the same state, man.
Going down is a little bit difficult because you don't want to stand, so you're going but to step. So it's it's pretty steep. The steps are pretty slippery too. Oh, I got the bad shoes on. One of the other.
Mejor al llegar, ¿no?
Cuidado. ¿Quieres descansar, Jimmy? Sí. Siéntate ahí. Aquí se ¿Ya vas de regreso? Ya. No, desde aquí está. 因为我们没有训练过。
That was not for the faint of heart. I'm still out of breath, but I thank God for this ride right now. We did it though. I made it to the top, but I made it. Workout starts now.
All right, let me tell you about Coba. You really have to be physically fit to go up those steps, especially in this hot weather. I mean, it's no joke. So, yeah, thank God I was at LA Fitness hitting those Stairmasters because that kind of helped, but it is slick, so I suggest you getting some tight shoes and everything else. So in Coba, I learned that you had a variety of different tours. We had some people who walked, and it's about a half-an-hour walk from the entrance to the major ruined temple, Coba. So you can do that, or you can see some people have bikes. They're riding their own bikes. The other one, we have a guy, a driver who's driving us. So you have 3 different tours here. I strongly suggest you take the tour we're on, where you have a driver, because if you're trying to walk or go up the steps, like Coba, it is a workout. Just letting you know. I work out 3 times a week. It still was a workout. So I just want to let you know.
And it's dangerous.
Un poquito. Todavía falta crecer un poquito. Cuidado. Un segundo. A ver, tócala. No, esa nada más es A ver, güey, ponte. Sí, se echó a correr.
Going into a real Mayan village.
Mangkit magyola pagdajimas na ishtakal. Yan chadik mishuchu pakal. Yeter cha mishuchu maswal hana tekime na. ¿Todo claro?
No.
You guy told me you speak very well Mayan.
Everybody was really quiet though. Acting like we listened.
Guys, that's Mayan language. Mayan language is a mother language. We learn Mayan language at home with the family. Then we'll learn Spanish in school. English is our 3rd language. Okay, so today I'm gonna explain you a little bit about the crops we have here, and I'm gonna show you the kitchen where you can see all ladies make tortillas, and you can try some of them. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
The sap of the papaya have work like an antidote in case a snake bites you. Okay, just antidote for snakes.
And the fruit?
That's the fruit. You have to eat the fruit. The fruit have a special sap. Yeah. Okay. Señores, now we're inside of one of the houses. This is the normal size of the Mayan houses. Are not very big, are not very tall, just one floor, and that's it. Why? Yucatan Peninsula, señores, every year we have hurricanes, we have storms.
Hello, busy professionals. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video on Coba. Just a quick tip, if you do go up there, make sure you take your time going up the steps and coming back down. In the description below, I have a link where you can get more information and book your activities there at Coba. Just like before, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Once again, thank you for choosing Showtime Travel. Contact us because you deserve a luxury vacation.